Blabina.
And this is my friend elephant. Say hello.
Hello, friends.
I'm trying to do the elephant sound, but it's not really working. Let's try one more time. I did it! Yes! Wow! Look at the elephants! They are the largest mammals on land. Just look at their ears. They are bigger than mine. They also have a long trunk. And can you see those two white teeth sticking out? They are called tusks. Isn't that amazing? And look, they are having a bath. Oh, I love a good bath. Wash my hair and wash my arms. Tonight, when you have your bath, you can pretend you are one of those elephants. Yeah. Oh, stop it, you're splashing me. Stop it, stop splashing me. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. I'm getting better at this. Yes.
Blabina.
What's that? You want to have a bath?
Yes, please. Muddy bath.
Muddy bath? Okay, but first, let's say goodbye to our friends.
Okay.
Now it's your turn to make your own elephant. And can you try the sound for me too? Yes, that one. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time. Blah 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 blah. Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!